Gold prices are lower on Tuesday morning, and we have Jeffrey Sica of Sica Wealth Management with us today. Jeff, we're looking at gold prices being lower today. We've been stuck in a range ever since the mid-April fall, but how does the yellow metal play with European conditions right now?
Well, the first thing to consider is the fact that the euro had declined based on Mario Draghi agreeing that they could potentially sustain negative interest rates in Europe. So we saw these dramatic declines in the euro, which in a lot of ways helped gold, because the anticipation of lower interest rates in Europe led to an anticipation that there could be some potential inflationary factors coming out of Europe. What ultimately happened today was we saw German factory orders, which seemed to be a little bit better than people anticipated, and we're seeing early strength in the euro. So that seems to be one of the factors affecting gold at this point.
So are we thinking that Europe is not necessarily getting out of the woods, but on track for a slow recovery, or are there still too many concerns about that?
No, I think that the concerns in Europe are monumental. I consider Europe to be in a downward spiral, no matter what Mario Draghi does, and I am one of the people who have believed that they needed interest rate cuts, and they probably will continue to do interest rate cuts to the point that they're in such dire straits right now that they need to do something desperate.
So with these continued struggles, do investors want to snatch up gold or kind of hold their positions right now?
I believe wholeheartedly there's two concerns with gold. First, there's the physical gold market, which has there's been extremely high levels of demand, and the paper gold market, which has been volatile as a result of options and futures contracts. So what I see is that the physical demand, especially in places like China, is resulting from individuals who are losing faith in the monetary systems and central banks of their countries. And as long as individuals continue to lose faith, they will turn to gold as being a safe haven against the central bank policies, which are doing nothing but devaluing currency and decreasing confidence in currency and forcing people into real metal.
All right, Jeff. Well, thanks so much for giving us your take on it this morning.
Thank you, Joe.